4. Excretory system. Dear student, what do you mean by the excretory system? The system which helps to remove the toxic waste formed in the body due to the metabolic activities or due to the chemical reaction. So, the system which helps to remove the toxic waste formed in the body known as excretory system, and the organs which used to take active part in the removal of waste are known as excretory organs. So, the excretory system. The system which helps which removes the waste from the body is known as excretory system. Dear student, the system which removes waste from the body. Which type of the waste? Toxic waste. Dear student, any type of the waste produced in the body, if it prolong in the body or it remain in the body, it can cause a harmful effect. So, the system which is to remove waste from the body is known as excretory system. The organs which remove toxic waste from the body is known as excretory organs. Example like skin, liver, lungs and kidney. Dear students, these are the important organ which help in the removal of the waste produced in the body. So let us know which type of the waste are removed from the skin. The waste removed by the help of the skin are salt and urea. Dear student, this waste are being produced due to the metabolic activities or by the help of the chemical reaction. So this waste produced in the body and being carried by the capillaries. So the straight line are located in the skin in the lower level, and the waste which used to be carried by the capillaries during the summer season white patches on our clothes. So these are the waste. These are the waste removed by the help of sweat or by the help of the sweat gland. So dear student, the main waste removed from the skin are salt, urea and extra amount of the water. Also sweating maintain the temperature of the body. Next I am going to explain you about the liver. Liver also acts as excretory organ. It used to remove the or secrete bile, and bile's composition is some part of the RBC which is being produced after the breaking down of the RBC. Dear student, the lifespan of RBC is 120 days, and after that it used to break in spleen. The material or the substance which is useful is being retained, and the rest are sent to the liver, which used to mix with bile and being secreted by the liver. So liver used to secrete bile and which used to come out through our alimentary canal along with the feces. Next is lungs. After the respiration you know, dear student, many times I explained you about respiration, the process in which food used to break down in the presence of oxygen and produce carbon dioxide and water. This carbon dioxide which used to exchanges of the gases used to take place in lungs, and by following the opposite route carbon dioxide is being removed out from our body by the help of the lungs. So basically lungs used to remove a poisonous gas known as a carbon dioxide which is being produced during the respiration or during the breakdown of the food to release energy, which used to come to the lungs, and by following the opposite route means in the alveoli the exchanges take place, and after the bronchioles and trachea and thrown out through our nostril. So lung especially used to remove the carbon dioxide. Next organ which acts as an excretory organ is the kidney. You see the diagram here. Kidney basically used to remove the waste like urea, uric acid and salt, nitrogen salt. So these are the three waste product which is being removed by the kidney: urea, uric acid and salt. Dear student, protein breaks to form this type of the waste: urea, uric acid and salt. These waste are being carried by the capillaries and enter to the kidney. Kidney's main function is to remove this waste and pass through the ureter and collected in the urinary bladder. When the urinary bladder is full of the urine or waste, time to time it used to be thrown out of the body. So urea, uric acid and the salt are being removed by the help of kidney also. So dear student, now we see that how this excretory organ used to remove the waste out from our body. So basically, you see now salt, nitrogen salt are removed by the kidney, also by the help of the skin, whereas lungs have been removal of the carbon dioxide gas, and liver which used to remove or expel out bile along with some waste part of the RBC. So dear student, You go through the topic, read it and try to learn about the function of this particular excretory organ. Thank you, dear students.